To easily upload receipts and submit expenses using Paycom, follow these steps. First, log into your Paycom account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Expenses section, where you can view all your pending and approved expenses. Next, click on the Create Expense button to start a new expense report. Select the date and category of the expense, and enter a brief description of the purchase. Then, click on the Add Receipt button to upload your receipt. You can upload receipts from your computer or take a photo of the receipt using your mobile device. Make sure the receipt is clear and includes all the necessary information, such as the date, amount, and vendor name. Paycom uses optical character recognition technology to extract the relevant information from the receipt, so it is essential to upload a high-quality image. After uploading the receipt, review the extracted information to ensure it is accurate. If any information is missing or incorrect, you can manually edit the fields. You can also add additional receipts to the same expense report if necessary. Once you have added all the required information, click on the Submit button to send the expense report to your manager for approval. You can also add a note to the report to provide additional context or explanation for the expense. To track the status of your expense report, navigate to the Expenses section, where you can view all your pending and approved expenses. You can also receive email notifications when your report is approved or rejected. Best practices for uploading receipts and submitting expenses using Paycom include keeping receipts organized and uploading them regularly, ensuring receipts are clear and include all necessary information, and reviewing expense reports carefully before submitting them. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily upload receipts and submit expenses using Paycom, streamlining your expense management process and reducing errors.